Hey guys, welcome to a Roblox video. I'm playing Pokemon Brick Bronze, which is basically like Pokemon Go, except not really. I don't know why I can't turn right now, but cause that's a little weird. This guy is apparently my friend. He's over here, and he's telling me that he's on his way to get his Pokemon, and that that my parents wanted to see me before I went to the Pokemon lab to get my Pokemon, and this guy's telling me to go and visit them. Cool, I'll be waiting for you. Oh wait, no I won't, because who's this person? Alright, cool. I don't need to know that really. Water power 35. Huh. That's funny. So basically, what Pokemon Brick Bronze is about is like, it's basically like you start out as a person, like a player, and then we can or not. Jeez, I'm saying what they're saying on here. Basically, what is you start out as a player, and you go and you get your first, you pick your first Pokemon from the lab, and you set out on a Pokemon adventure, basically. So these guys are going to the lab, and I'm gonna follow them, because that's where I need to go too. But I actually don't really need to follow him, because I already know where where the lab is, so I'm not gonna follow them right now. Kind of sound like Dennis Daly, don't I? But yeah, so I'm picking my first Pokemon over here, and now I think every time I'm in buildings like this, I can't turn or zoom, so that's kind of weird, but please hold for station identification. Alright, now I'm picking my Pokemon. You guys might know some of these Pokemon, but basically, this is Hewlett, this is Litten, this is, I don't know this guy's name, this is Bulbasaur, this is Charmander, this is Squirtle, this is Chikorita, I don't know this guy's name, and this is, I don't know a lot of these guys' names. You know what? Here, I'll go with Oshawott. Yeah, I want Oshawott. Please hold for another station identification. Da 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 da. Bam. We're done. Yay. Finally. Oh, now this guy's gonna come and try to battle with me. Let's battle, bro. I'm gonna get you. Check this out. Eevee. Grace. Perfect type. fight. Tail whip. Hang on. Alright, now I know what tail whip does. How about tackle? A. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go for tackle. Tackle. Booyah. Oh, dang. I'll go tail whip. Why does Eevee keep using tail whip? I don't know. It is a little weird, but I'm gonna knock out Eevee right now. Oh, great. That's exactly what I needed. My attack to fall. That is exactly what I needed. Huh? How? Hey, I leveled up. Hey, let's go. Amazing. 200 coins. Hey. Oh, bam. Then they can't see me? That's a little creepy. Haha. Yeah. Please hold as we are trying to work things out with the train in front of us. Please hold and we will be playing music for you until we come back. Da 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 da. This guy's telling me how Pokeballs work. I already know this. I'm sort of like a big Pokemon guy. Like, I'm a big fan of Pokemon. Alright, that's a little weird. There we go. Now I can do this. And I gotta wrap this up soon. But I'm just gonna go out on a couple routes right now and battle some trainers before I do anything. Oh, thanks. Okay. No. Route 1. Who? Pidgey? I swear, I thought someone. Here, I'm gonna go with. I'll go with Tail Whip. They have the same. Pidgey has the same moves as me. Oh, that should be enough. Yep. Bag. Pokeball. Use. Bam, I got it, right? Come on. No! Dang it. I think I might actually knock this guy out. I did. Dang it. Herg. I got it. I have to heal this guy now. No. Please don't battle with me. Another Pidgey? I'm running from this guy now. Run. Yay. I wanna go. I don't wanna. Hey, no! This man got some braces. This video is almost over. So, I'm gonna finish up this battle. And then I'm just gonna go some more places and get some stuff. and then say goodbye for this video. So I'm gonna go in here. Now this should definitely, hang on. Oh, I forgot I was battling somebody else. Hey, I went. Yep, bye. Yay, level 7. Hey, water gun. No, because I can't. Wait, what? How? Water gun is so powerful. Die! Ha! Goodbye. Oh no. No! Why? Zigzagoon. That's a weird name. This guy, that guy. He fainted. 2 moves. That's it. Huh. I think this is all the time that I have now. Not now. Really? Alright, I'll just finish this, I guess. After that, I am going to shut it down for Pokemon Adventure Video 1. Huh. That's just my friend telling me what level he's on in Portal. That's a game that is actually really, really fun. Oh my god. How? What? Bye. I got him. Hey, let's go. Bam, bam, let's go. Hey, no. I'm running from Zigzagoon. Huh. Run. What did I get? Hey, I found a potion. Oof. Alright, that was close. Code who? What? Okay. What happened? What? No, Team Eclipse. Team Eclipse is like Team Rocket, if you know who that is. Team Rocket is a very, very bad group. Like, really, really bad group. This guy's taking longer than I thought. Alright.